Do you know where emotions come from? Over 100 years ago, 6 brothers began to build engines in their small workshop in Italy. They were the Benelli brothers. Our story begins only when the youngest of them, Tonino, realized that it was not just their hearts that had to run. Riding the Benelli Motoleggera 125 Sport and all of the evolutions that followed, Tonino Benelli started to collect victories all around Europe, winning the championship 4 times in 5 years. Nothing was running faster than the Benelli name in Europe in those years, both on the tracks and through its fans. In the mid-30s, the Benelli brothers moved to a new house in the middle of their hometown Pesaro, in which to create their timeless masterpieces. This new shop created pieces of art like the 175 Grand Sport Monza, born here to continue its journey all across Europe, winning not only races, but the hearts of a lot of Benelli fans throughout the following decades. In 2005, Benelli became part of the Chinese group Tengyang, one of the companies leading the motorcycle sector, which today produces more than 1 million vehicles per year, thanks to an industry-leading motorcycle R&D center and to a highly technological factory. And in 2016, QJ was incorporated into Geely, one of the biggest automobile manufacturing companies. Being part of a group this strong allows Benelli to continue its run, transforming possibilities into reality, promoting the research in engineering and design, and making the glorious story of Benelli global, to reach new fans around the world with a new generation of products which looks to the future without ever forgetting the strong and powerful Benelli heritage. Today, Benelli's direction for the future is clear, and with our team of engineers and designers, we work to keep the legend of Benelli alive in every single motorcycle that comes out of our factory. Like the rebirth of the Leoncino, the moving manifesto of what emotion meant to the Benelli brothers then and for all riders today. A motorcycle that allows the Benelli legend back on the roads of the world. Talent, passion, history, perseverance, speed. All this you feel when you ride a Benelli motorcycle. The legend of yesterday in the motorcycle for today. So this is where emotions come from.